everyone, this is Joanna with Beijing Hongdee Corporation. Today I show you the new coming Fundus Camera FC-200. Now I open the box. So among the accessories you can see the charging base and the adapter for charging, the charging cable, and the eyepiece. And this is the camera body. And the Fundus Camera FC-200, you can see it is the 4.7 touch screen. So before you use, you have to remove the cover, and you have to add the eyepiece on the camera tube. And also you can see this is a button to take picture or take videos. And this is the dial to adjust the focus, so you can see a clear image via the adjustment. This is the FC-200 Fundus camera. It is a 4.7 touch screen. This button is for taking videos or taking pictures. And 3 port. This is USB port. This is Type-C port. This is micro USB. And here is the focus adjustment dial. You can adjust the focus by this dial. And before you use, you remove the cover and add the eyepiece on the tube. Now I have switched on the Fundus Camera FC-200. So here it is 4.7 touch screen. So it can be touched. So there are total 5 icons on the left side. Also there is 5 icons on the right side. First here is the option to switch totally 3 options, 3 color modes. So you can see the difference here. And this button to switch the option to take videos or take pictures. And the pinch. You can zoom in or zoom out. High definition, HD, means high definition. And the left eye. Here is the right eye. And here is to create the info of the patient, like the name, the ID, also the sex, etc. And here, the medical records. If you take the pictures or videos, this will be shown here. And this is the fixation light. You can choose 1 light or total 5 lights here. You can see 5 lights here. And this is the settings. You can see the hospital setting, DICOM, VLAN hospital setting, PC, wireless system setting, and version information are all listed here. And here you can choose left eye or right eye.